Okay guys, so today I've got something a little bit different. I found this Avatar vehicle. It says RDA grinder collectible vehicle, and it was only $10 at some little toy or used toy shop in West Edmonton Mall, and I was like, that looks interesting, especially for the price. So I looked into the scale, and turns out it is Mattel scale, so the figures on the back here are the same size. They're sold separately, I guess. I don't know if they're produced or not. I've just never seen figures from Avatar before, but apparently they can ride this. There's flick fire missiles, and it looks pretty neat. And in the video, there's another YouTube video I watched when I was looking into this thing, debating whether or not to buy it. They had the mercenary figure riding it, and I was like, hey, this would probably be a really cool Jurassic Park vehicle. I could probably paint it up chaos effect like, or it might also just look good on its own. So we're gonna unbox it and see if it's compatible and how it looks next to the dinosaurs and stuff. The back has some information. I'm not reading that. Y'all can like pause it and read it if you want, but we're just gonna dive right in. I've been waiting a long time to unbox this. So, I don't know where to start. Ooh, it's Mattel, bruh. That's cool. So we'll probably just, I guess the bottom. Can't go wrong with opening it via the bottom. I honestly don't know how to open it. Like, where to even start. Maybe this corner. I guess I'll just end up ravaging the box. It's not like I need it. These things are kind of cheap on eBay. They're not too pricey. I've seen some for like between 20 to 30, but if you're lucky, you might be able to find these for 15. Yeah, I honestly don't know how this thing opens. Everything is just really glued on there. So we're just going to decimate the bottom of the box, because I'm not putting up with this. And we'll try not to get a paper cut this time. Or I guess you would consider that a cardboard cut or whatever. Okay, wow, inside there is a, I guess it's like the same shape as the box. Wow, that is very interesting, holy cow. Okay, so we'll just eat the box over there. Wow. It's kind of like model-esque. The paint job is really nice on some of these things. I like how it got dark just immediately. Fantastic. I don't know if the tires roll. Oh wait, they do. Okay. So we'll take a look at the instructions. Assembly. Oh, it's very easy. Put a figure in there. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, and you scanned it into something. Yikes. So let's pop all the pieces out. Maybe I should probably get you guys ground level. Oh, and I already broke it. Oh, that's not good. Whoops. Oh. Oh no. Okay. And it comes with like a tag. Okay. And then 2 little missiles. Okay, so let's put this together then. There, I guess that's a little better. Let's see, so this front part goes on here. Oh, whoops. Oh, I already screwed that up. Okay, let's try that again. So, this goes like this. What? Okay, it goes like this. And this goes on the front. And then this goes on the back. Okay. Well, good thing I only spent $10 on this. Oh, and these, whoops. Oh, phew. Not only did I tear a limb off, I just knocked the camera down. Okay. Oh, and we're losing a missile. So this is kind of a mess. Oh, the tires rotate for some reason. Or should rotate down. The back wheels absolutely don't work. And they come off very easily. There's no tread feature. And there's no like, oh here, these are like the substitute tires, I guess. Oh, it does roll, wow. And then these missiles go in the back, so there's like a bunch of pseudo missiles, I guess you could say. Did I put them in wrong? Oh my god. Okay. So you can position the missiles, I think. I hope. Yeah. You can position them like that, I guess. So they're all out. It's pretty hardcore. There's like a cockpit here that you can put figures in. So we're just gonna yeet this guy into the pit. Well, I mean, yeet as in struggle, because he's just, you know, not working with me today. There we go, he's in. So, he just clips in like that. And, yeah, he just kind of sits there. Ta-da! So detail-wise, it's fully loaded. A little bit too detailed, just slightly. But, like, it's enough. Like, the paint detail is not too bad. So it kind of fits in, I guess. It's a little bit slightly too big for the figure, but you can pass it off if you just pull him forward a little bit and put his feet on there. You can kind of turn it. And these missiles, let's see if they're pretty powerful or not. Yeah, they do the job. They went all the way over there. So we'll put those back in. There we go. Let's take a look at it next to albertosaurus. So there's its length for you. It's like a medium-sized vehicle. I don't know. It kind of feels Chaos Effect-like, I guess, in like a way. Just the uncanny amount of missiles on the back. But put it next to the Rex. Yeah, that could have a nice Kenner paint job. Like the tiger stripes or whatever. Can't remember the name of the quad vehicle, but from 1994's Kenner lineup, but I could probably paint it like that maybe. Overall, it's a decent vehicle. If you guys want to add it to your collection, it's not too expensive and not too hard to get your hands on. And definitely a fun addition, I guess, to the vehicle roster, since Mattel doesn't really make too many vehicles. And it sort of fits in. It's got the sci-fi elements to it. Let's see a raptor next to it. Yeah. So there you have it. There's the RDA grinder from Avatar. Totally worth $10. Missile launcher, highly articulated. I guess it's kind of articulated. Yeah, no, it's a fun vehicle. I might try some photography with it. I always say that, but I'm so busy. But yeah, no, it's cool. I like it. It has a neat amount of detail and kind of fits well with the theme, military dudes. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some next ones. I'll probably talk about the dinosaurs and this magazine with Lego things. So yeah, no, I'll see you guys in those videos then. Bye-bye.